You can see my author table. I just made it separate, and in the book table, the books table, I reference the author by the ID. So in case I edit an author, I don't have to go through all the tables to edit the author. Also, my reviews is actually the same. I reference the ISBN by the ID on the books. Uh, I, I reference the username of the logged in user by ID. So let me go to my book review. If the requirement, we need to create a registration login and logout function. This is my login page. I click here to register. So for example, let's create a user. Let's say CS50 and create a password and register. Actually, it says it must be 5 letters or more. So let's say CS50 user and password. Then we'll go. You can see user is registered. Then we can log in. So now we're logged in. We can search by ISBN auto title, and we can log out. You can see we're on account. If I log out, see it's logged out. If we try to access the account, so you can access that. So back to function. Now let's search by ISBN, the crystal cave. You see it appears. You can go back and search by author. Let's see, what do we have here? We have Kira Cast. Let's say Kira. If we don't have to type it completely, is the name of the book. And we'll see the selection here. So when you follow it, you see the book. This is the ISBN, the title, the author, the year. The project users review, it has 0 review. This is my review on the website, but on Google Read, it has 806,000 reviews with a rating of 4.4. So let's review as a CS50 user and see how it shows. So let's say this is a good book and give it 5 stars and we'll rate. Now it says thanks for your review. You can see it shows now under user reviews and the username here, CS50 user of 5 stars. This is a good book. And let's try to review again. I want to review again and give it this time 4 stars. Let's read. You see, you already reviewed this book, and that's because I'm logged in as CS50 user. So let's try and go by title. And for instance, let us search for any title name, maybe Thunder or something. Say Thunderstruck. We'll come here. You see, I already reviewed this book with some users I already created, and you can see that the CS50 isn't showing. Now let's add this new review with 5 stars. Now you see, we have the CS50 new review, 5 stars, average 4.7 stars, 3 users reviewed. Okay, now let's go to the API. Now see, you get the JSON returns, but if you for give a wrong ISBN, you get the 404 error. So this is how my book page works. This is actually um, the application.py. This is where everything happened. You can see I checked for user session, and actually I just used basically execute on everything with a lot of joins because, and this is how I was able to search by not typing the entire query. I used I like, which is actually case insensitive. Thank you very much.